Fall detection is not the same as emergency response. If your family has not agreed on who gets the alert, who answers, and what happens next, the device is only part of the plan. Families often shop for living alone safety tech because they want more peace of mind. That makes sense. But peace of mind does not come from marketing words. It comes from a response plan your parent will actually use and your family can actually support. A medical alert system can make sense when you want a dedicated emergency button and a simpler purpose-built workflow. A smartwatch can make sense when your parent will wear it consistently and can manage the charging routine. Neither one is automatically safer. The best option depends on wearability, charging habits, screen comfort, and what happens after the alert starts. Before buying, ask, who gets the first alert? What happens if your parent presses the button by mistake? What happens if they do not answer the follow-up call? Who is the backup person? If your family cannot answer those questions clearly, the plan is still incomplete. Do not compare only the sticker price. Look at activation fees, monthly monitoring cost, cancellation rules, replacement fees, and whether mobile coverage costs extra. Also ask whether your parent is comfortable wearing and charging the device every day. An uncharged device cannot help. No watch, pendant, or smart speaker can guarantee safety. No device replaces emergency services, local support, or regular family follow-up. The goal is not a perfect promise. The goal is a lower friction response plan. The full family comparison checklist is linked in the description. Start with the response workflow, then compare the device. If the family plan is vague, slow down before you buy.